Hello everyone, this is your boy Eli B. Now I'm back to my another tutorial video. Yeah, stick around. Just today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the short video size from this to this. Just I'm going to show you how the size that you can use in order to make your shorts or your highlight videos. So now right here you see this is my video clip. You know my video clip, just if you want to see the major of your footage clip, just you come here to sequence and then click here on sequence settings. So my clip, it has some frame size. This is horizontal, it has 19 to 20, and vertical it has 1080. So now just if you want to make some short videos or some highlights, so you're gonna come here to horizontal. So now I'm going to reduce this, so to reduce this size. So now I'm going to reduce this horizontal. So now let me put like, so you can put 700 or 800. So let me add this 800. So now then just click OK, then click OK. So now this is the setting that you can use in order to make your short videos or your highlight. Bro, that is simple, man. Vanessa, you hear me fresh? Okay, just guys, I'm with my best producer. Just he's recording my audio. So now stick around. Now let me check how is it. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share. Yeah, this video, there is somebody who told me to make this video. Just it's my producer. His name is Lodge B Beats. You know, go on his YouTube, but then subscribe. Her YouTube is called Papa Beat. Just go on his YouTube, subscribe, and like and share. He has a good beat, okay? Just, and this is my beat. It's from his, okay? Just go subscribe and hit notification below, bro. Just stick around. Go the tie.